Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm outside enjoying the beautiful sunshine underneath my pergola. There's no foliage above me because my wisteria has dropped all its leaves, but I don't care. It's just absolutely gorgeous out here today. The sunshine is just amazing and I'm loving every minute of it. I do try to come out and get some vitamin D whenever possible, although I don't think I can get very much at this time of the year. But anyway, if anything, at least it gets me in a good mood. I know I'm not the only one. I know many people enjoy sunshine for that same reason. Maybe it has something to do with my upbringing in Australia. I don't know. I lived in the Brisbane area and it was very similar to Florida because we had warm temperatures pretty much almost the entire year. But anyway guys, I'm so glad you could join me today because I'm going to be opening up a new box. The name of the box is Didi's Deluxe Bead Box and I'm so excited. Didi's Beads is a company out of Canada. It's a small family owned business. And they reached out to me the other day and asked me to do an unboxing. And apparently they have very trendy beads. So I'm very excited about opening up today's box. I can't wait. I like to see what's out there because it helps me as a designer and I know it helps you as well. And that's one of the reasons I love doing unboxings because it helps me and it helps you. And I think it helps to expand our creativity by trying different beads, different companies. Plus it helps small family owned business and that's always a good thing. So anyway guys, I want to take you inside so we can do this unboxing. It's always difficult for me to leave this beautiful place when it's so beautiful and sunny outside. But I'm going to take you inside so we can do the unboxing and then I'll probably just come out here and enjoy the rest of the day. So let's go ahead and go to my studio before the day gets away from me. It's so difficult to fit everything in when you have such few daylight hours. Here's the lovely box. As you can see, it's called Didi's Deluxe Bead Box and it says inspiring your creative senses. And here's a business card. It says thank you so much for supporting small business. And it has the translation, which I'm not even going to attempt, although I did take French in school. But anyway, it's very nice that we're supporting a small business. And I really like the idea of supporting a business in Canada. And it says here, happy beading, Luisa from Stella. She's the owner of this company. They have an online store. The online address is didibeadsonlineshop.com. And I'll leave that link down below so you can go visit it. They also have a Facebook group. And I've heard that they have some great sales on that Facebook group. So I strongly suggest that you go check it out and see what that's about. And I love the sticker down here. It says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. Isn't that funny? Oh my gosh. I know I'm going to be super happy when I open this box. My understanding about this box is that they focus on designer-inspired curated themes. And they usually include trendy, hard-to-find beads. And another thing that's important to know is that it's not considered a value box. Okay, so you're going to get some really high quality beads in this box. They offer limited editions on a first come first served basis, so once it's gone guys. Okay, and I know that the December box is already sold out, but the January box is available on the website for sale if you're interested. It goes for $29.99 plus shipping and they ship within Canada and the US only. So I feel really bad for my international viewers, but I can understand why they wouldn't do that because shipping costs can be extremely high. But anyway, they have a reveal date for each deluxe bead box on the 15th of each month, and at the same time they release the box for the following month. And one thing you can do if you want to get the announcements is to go on the website and sign up to get the notifications through their VIB group, and that way you'll be one of the first to learn about their monthly new releases before it gets sold out. So anyway guys, do go to the website, check it out, check out all their products. They have wonderful pricing. I've been to their website a couple of times and checked it out, and I'm really impressed with all of their pricing and everything they have to offer. I'll leave a coupon code along with the website address down in the description section of this video. The coupon code is Luisa15 and it'll give you 15% off your first order, and it can be applied towards 90% of the website listings. There are some things that you can't use it for, and one of them is the deluxe bead box, but I'm sure there'll be plenty of things that you can use it towards. And definitely go to their Facebook group because I know they have all kinds of sales on there. Plus it's a great place to meet other people, other designers, and to share ideas. So anyway, I'm anxious to open up this box, so let me go ahead and get my scissors. So let's open it up. I'm so excited. And we have a beautiful blingy sticker. That's so cute. And here it is. The theme of the box is Celebrate 2022 in Style. As you can see, it's the December edition. And it says, as we soon enter the New Year celebration, we will be reminded of the hardships endured during the pandemic. Nevertheless, those of us who remain positive through creative endeavors knows the importance of how our crafts can keep us balanced. That is so true. We'd like to take this opportunity to offer best wishes and warmest blessings to you and family during this holiday season. Let's look forward to the coming year with love, hope, prosperity, but most importantly, peace, health, and to keep on beating. That is such a nice message for the new year. And as you can see, the materials are listed right here, and there are quite a few items. And down here at the bottom it says, I hope the December edition has inspired you to keep creating in the new year 2022. Happy beading from Stella. Here's her email address and her website address and her Facebook address. But anyway, guys, like I said before, I'll leave all of this information down in the description section of this video. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. And oh my gosh, what a gorgeous collection of colors for the new year. Usually for New Year's, I see a lot of silvery, sparkly beads. But as you can see, we have black, we have gold, we have a peach color, we have copper, we have red. So pretty. But anyway, guys, let me go ahead and organize this and we'll go through each item. Let's take a look at the strands. This first one here is a 15-inch strand, and these are 8mm faceted black onyx cathedral cut gemstones. What a gorgeous, gorgeous strand this is. As you can see, each one is separated by a seed bead. The seed bead looks to be about a size 8/0, so you can totally use that in your design. Nothing goes to waste, okay? Look how gorgeous these beads are, guys. Look how beautiful, oh my gosh. Black onyx cathedral cut gemstones. Such a pretty strand. And it's so long too, 15 inches. You get quite a few beads here. I'm definitely going to be using these in some kind of design. These are so gorgeous. And here we have another strand. This one is 17 inches long, so it's a little bit longer than the other one. And these are rondelles, and they're 8x6mm in dimension. And this strand is called Didi's Designer Crystal Mix. And you can see why. She has 4 different colors here. She has red, black, white, and this peach color. And it's so nice to have so many colors in one strand. You can use all 4 colors in one design, or you can pick and choose 1 or 2 colors or 3, depending on what it is that you're making. It's so gorgeous, and it's so nice to have so many options. And look how nice they look with the onyx cathedral cut gemstones. So pretty. So far, I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing. Let's take a look at the rest of the items. We have some glass pearls. These are 8mm in size, and as you can see, they're a beautiful copper color, and there are 25 beads in this bag. And here I've threaded them on my rod so you can take a better look. Now for reference, the description does have them listed as an 8-inch strand, but as you can see, they're loose beads. But isn't that a gorgeous color, guys? And I would say that the finish is kind of matte looking. It's a little bit satiny, I guess, but I would say that it's a cross between satin and matte. And I like that. I don't always like using sparkly and shiny beads. I like to mix them up. I like to use sparkly beads along with matte beads. But these aren't completely matte. They have a little bit of sheen on them, as you can see. But the color is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. And I like the 8mm size. I like using this size in bracelets. And I like using them in very long necklaces as well. So beautiful. And here we have a bag of faceted red crystals. They're 4mm in size, and they're round, as you can see. And there are 50 pieces. And again, for reference, it's the equivalent of a 6.5-inch strand. And it just wouldn't be the holidays without red beads. And this is such a pretty red too. It's not the really bright red. It's more of a muted red, a dark red, which I really, really love. Look how sparkly these beads are, guys. Look at the facets. So beautiful. And you can tell these are good quality as well. I always try and look at the holes, because if the holes are smooth, usually that means that they're pretty good quality. But anyway, these are so pretty, and I like that they include smaller beads in this collection. It's much easier to design when you have a combination of larger beads and smaller beads. Now here's an interesting bag of diamond cut hematite beads. They're very small. They're 3mm in size, and there are approximately 105 pieces. And again, for reference, that would be the equivalent of an 8-inch strand. I've never ever seen this kind of bead before, but I really love them, and I love this color of gold. It's such a pretty color. Let me go ahead and put them on a rod so you can take a better look. And here they are on the rod. Aren't they gorgeous? I love these tiny beads. They come in so handy for so many different designs. You can even use these for bead weaving because they're so small. As you can see, even though they're hematite, they're a gold color. The hematite beads that I normally see out there are usually in the gray tones. But this is definitely a very pretty gold color. It's not very yellow. It actually has a little bit of a rosy tint, but it's not a rose gold color. And they're definitely very desirable because of the dainty jewelry trend these days. I'm kind of hoping for that trend to go away eventually, but I love these beads, and I know I'm going to use them somehow. And look how they sparkle when I turn them, guys. They're so gorgeous. I love these beads. Very, very nice. And here we have a black onyx gemstone bezel connector. Here it is. As you can see, it's rather substantial, and I love that it has the gold plating on the edges. It's 30 by 20 millimeters in size. As you can see, it has 2 loops. So you can use this in various ways. You can use it in a bracelet design. You can use it with leather. You can use it as a pendant and hang some charms on this lower loop. There are lots of possibilities with this beautiful connector. And I love that it's black onyx, just like the other beads that I showed you. And I like the quality of the plating on the edges as well. Sometimes you get plating that isn't good quality, but this one looks like it's very good quality. It's nice and shiny, and it's pretty smooth, as you can see. So anyway, I think it's a very beautiful piece, and I know I'm going to be using this in some kind of design. And here we have a bag with some red and black beads. Let's take a look. So it looks like we have 6 of these round Lampwork glass beads and 6 of these black onyx fan-shaped gemstones. Let me go ahead and thread these red ones on my rod. As you can see, these are red with some copper shimmer inside the bead, and they're absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at these. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. They're so different. It's so nice to have Lampwork beads because each one is unique, as you can see. It's nice to have beads that are all different like this because then you have a one-of-a-kind piece, and it's always nice to have one-of-a-kind pieces. Isn't it funny that the sparkle matches my fingernail polish, even though it's gold? But anyway, guys, I love these. They're so pretty. They're 10 millimeters in size, and they would make great accent beads. Let me go ahead and thread these fan-shaped beads onto my rod. As you can see, they're drilled through the middle, and they're definitely fan-shaped. And once again, they're black onyx, so they would definitely coordinate with the other beads that I showed you. I love the combination of red and black. I think it's such a nice combination. So anyway, because these are drilled through the middle, they would actually make great drops on a necklace or a pair of earrings. I absolutely love these. They're so nice. Now here are a couple of very interesting teardrop shaped beads. I honestly have never heard of these. These are carved black coral teardrop shaped beads. I've never heard of black coral. But look at the gorgeous carved detail on these beads. I am so impressed. They're 18 by 20 millimeters in size, and these are drilled through the middle as well. So these would make great earrings. I don't know if you guys can see the carved detail. It's absolutely stunning, so beautiful. I'm blown away by the beauty of these beads. I really am. I've never seen beads this beautiful. They're so gorgeous. I'm definitely going to have to research black coral. I've never seen beads made of that material. So anyway, guys, these are so gorgeous, and I'm so impressed. And here we have some chain, and they're nice big links. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. The links are oval shaped, as you can see, and they're in an antique bronze color, and there are different size links. It looks like we have a small, a medium, and a large size link, 3 different sizes, and we get a total of 12 inches. These are soldered links, so that makes them very secure. And unfortunately, I'm going to feel a little bit bad when it comes time to use them, because obviously you'll have to cut one of these off. But anyway, guys, look at this. Can you see these in a necklace? I totally can, and I'm really looking forward to using these beautiful links. And here we have a clasp. As you can see, it's gunmetal in color. It's fairly large. It's magnetic, and it has a very strong magnet. And I love the shape, and I love the texture. It's so nice of them to include a clasp that coordinates so well, because that's one less thing you have to go looking for. And this gunmetal color is going to look so nice with the onyx beads. It's so gorgeous. I really love it. And here we have a bag with 3 charms. Let's take a look. And how cute is that? We have a goblet of red wine, and we have 2 beautiful gemstone shapes. And this looks like some kind of enamel or resin. I'm not sure. But there's the front and there's the back. Aren't these adorable? These are so cute. Oh my gosh. So adorable and so appropriate for the New Year's. These are definitely going to be attached to some kind of bracelet. And here's the final item. This is a bonus gift. As you can see, we have a couple of large whole beads. They're red and black in color, and they have some kind of floral design. Here they are on my rod. As you can see, they're faceted. And in the center, there's that floral design, as you can see. And because they're large whole beads, you can definitely use these on leather cord. So that's nice that they include a gift. I love these beads. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors. I love this chain. And I absolutely adore these beautiful carved coral beads. And I like it that they include tiny beads and larger beads and this link. It's going to be so easy to come up with designs when you have so many options like this. But anyway guys, please check back with my channel for some future tutorials using these beautiful items. I just love these colors. They coordinate so nicely. It's such a gorgeous curated box. Let me go ahead and clean this up and I'll come back and say goodbye. My beautiful winter flower. I love camellias and this one is doing really well. As you can see, lots of blooms on this plant. I love that it blooms from fall to spring. It's the only splash of color that I have in my backyard during the winter months. And I don't know if you saw that bee fly by, but I just saw one and I think it's really cool. Well, I had to come out here again because it's just so gorgeous today and I can't let a day like today go to waste. So I'm going to spend a little bit more time out here and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. I know I'm going to be having some fun with those gorgeous beads. I'm not sure what I'll be making just yet, but I'll figure it out. So anyway guys, thanks again. Have a great day, and if I don't see you, happy holidays, and I'll see you next time. Bye.